Morning all, Saturday morning here in Manila. Today's the day I'm actually moving the Jeep, the Land Cruiser, from a space at the condo. We got work to be done on it, but the gears are not working. So problem with transmission and the brakes. We have the parts to fix it, but with the tools they need as well, we need some electric, and there's no electrical points here. So it's taken me about 2 weeks to find somebody that can actually tow the Jeep to another parking space where there's electricity, and it's a bus. We have a beautiful old Mercedes Jeepney with a crocodile bar, so we're going to be moving it to this guy's premises today, and then we can get to work on fixing the transmission, and I'll start work on the priming. We're going to get it primed over the next few days, get rid of the lovely graffiti, and get the bodywork completely done. I'll do as much of it as I can myself, and then we're going to get it wrapped just so it looks better and get rid of that graffiti. Then I'll get somebody in to, well, I'll buy some paint and we're going to paint the wheels. I've got some neon lights on order. Yeah, loads of stuff. There's some blocking wheel nuts which I'll order probably today, and we carry on with the projects. I'm going to try and get this car done in the next 6 weeks. Ready for sale, basically, or ready to keep. I don't know. I found someone that does some reupholstering of the seats. These got leather covers on, but they're all ripped. So we're going to tear them off, and because the ceiling is really clean and it's in grey, I'm going to have the refurb on the seats done in black and grey, and that includes all the painting the door panels, painting the dash. Well, we're going to wrap the dash, stick a nice 7-inch Apple Play screen in somewhere, wrap the gear stick, and paint all the interior here into a nice black, or black and grey, and a little bit of carpet. I think we're going to get a new carpet in here as well. Just waiting for the quote for that. So all fun and games, but we're really going to get the foot down now, and project car I'm hoping to get done in 4 to 6 weeks from now. Okay, I'll film the towing, because it could be interesting. So I'll keep you with me for a bit longer. It's only got to go about, well, half a mile, something like that, if you want 1 kilometre. But yeah, look at these Jeepneys. Would love to make one of these into a motorhome and travel around in it. Isn't that cool? So basically, if you're travelling around anywhere in Manila or anywhere in the Philippines, you see a lot of these, and you literally jump on. They're always busy, and you can probably go 2 or 3 kilometres for the equivalent of about 20p. And they're always hit backs, and there's people hanging off the backs, and whoever's at the back passes their money down to the next person, who passes it to the next person, and they keep going down till it gets to the driver. It's pretty cool. I prefer to get a taxi myself, because there's no aircon in these and it gets pretty hot. What's that say? Jesus, the only one with the power to save. So this crocodile bar has to go on. This says no gears or brakes on the Land Cruiser yet, so obviously I wouldn't have the power to stop it from going into the back of the Jeepney without the crocodile bar. Shame really, because this comes with a winch, but obviously it got stolen when this was left in the field for 4 months, 3 months. Work on this back plate after the bodywork's done. Yeah, so the last time you see the car like this, next time I take a video, hopefully it'll be primed and ready for the wrapping. And I'm going to try and get the wrapping filmed as well, because I'm having what I hope is something special. There's 4 different mock-ups I've had done of how to have it wrapped. There's like a commando one, there's like an army theme, and there's a couple of sort of real modern designs, sort of ones like Men in Black type style, another one's, what's the other one? Well, a couple of themes. I'll post them up anyway, and do you know what, if there's enough interest or likes to the couple of videos I'll be posting on the refurb of this, then I'll stick a survey out with all the pictures of all the different wrap designs, and you guys can all help me choose the right one. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.